Hi friends, welcome to Navani's Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare Bedai Puri or Bedmi Puri, very famous traditional street food of Delhi and UP. I say it is a food that touches your soul. Subtle crispiness of puri when scooped with veil of aromatic aloo sabzi just makes it a flavorful bomb in your palate. This is a must-try recipe. So let's enter into the process. First, let's see the ingredients required for the stuffing for Bedai Puri or Bedmi Puri. We need ajwain, half a teaspoon. I have taken half a teaspoon. Garam masala powder, half a teaspoon. Pinch of hing. Salt to taste. Coriander powder, I have taken 1 teaspoon. Chili powder according to your spice. Turmeric powder, and we need urad dal. Let it be whole or split, it's okay. We need to dry roast this and grind it coarsely for mixing up the stuffing. We need to dry roast these, so just dry roasting them. They need not change the color, they just have to become little crispy so that you can grind it coarsely in the mixer. This is done. We'll allow it to cool and then grind it coarsely. Now we'll grind this coarsely. This is done. You should not powder it fine. It has to be coarse. We will transfer this into a bowl. We shall start mixing the masalas. Turmeric powder. Chili powder, hing, dhania powder, garam masala powder, salt to taste, ajwain. We will first mix this properly. Now by adding water little by little, we will start mixing this because we need to soak this mixture. Urad dal, it soaks up water, so we will not mix it very tight. We just have to see and mix. So this is mixed. We will keep this consistency right now. After if it gets soaked, let us see if it becomes too dry. We can add a few drops of water and make it into the dough consistency. We will keep this aside by the time we prepare the outer layer. Ingredients required for the outer layer of Bedai Puri or Bedmi Puri are wheat flour 1 cup, maida or plain flour 1 cup, Suji 1 cup, kasuri methi little, ajwain 1 teaspoon, ghee 1 teaspoon, oil 2 teaspoons, salt to taste. We'll start adding the ingredients. Wheat flour, plain flour, Suji semolina, salt to taste, ajwain, kasuri methi, we'll mix this dry ingredients first. We'll add oil 2 teaspoons, ghee around 1 teaspoon, This gives a crispy texture to our puris. If you don't like ghee, you can just add 1 more spoon of oil, but if you add ghee, it will give a good texture. With the help of little lukewarm water, we are going to knead this dough because I don't have too much time now. If you have time, you can soak it with mix it with normal water and keep it aside for around 1 to 2 hours. But I want to prepare it now, so I am mixing it with lukewarm water. The dough has to be medium stiffness. This is done. We will keep it aside by the time we prepare the curry for this. The ingredients required for the aloo sabzi, which pairs up very well with this bedmi puri, are aloo. I've boiled and mashed it coarsely. I didn't mash it completely, just broken into small pieces. Coriander chopped. Green peas, these are optional. If it is seasonal, you can add, otherwise you can just ignore this. I have boiled and kept ready. Tomato, I have taken 1 big tomato and pulsed it in the grinder. It has to be coarsely pulsed. Gram flour, we need to dry roast this. I'll show you that. Kasuri methi. Coriander powder, I have taken 1 teaspoonful. Half a teaspoon of amchur powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Turmeric powder. Chili powder according to your spice. Salt to taste. A small pinch of ginger grated. For seasoning, you need hing, cumin seeds, green chilies. We have already taken red chili powder, so check for the spice and take according to your spice. I have taken 3 green chilies. First we'll heat the kadai. Add this gram flour to that. Dry roast till it loses its rawness. This is done. We will keep this aside and see the next process. We will heat a kadai. Add oil to this. Let the oil heat. We will add the cumin seeds. Now we'll add the green chilies. Now we'll add ginger, grated ginger. Hing, to this we will add this tomato grinder. We have to fry these tomatoes till they get cooked. If the tomatoes are cooked, we will add turmeric powder, chili powder, salt to taste. Mix it properly. We'll add this gram flour which we have roasted. Mix this properly. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now we'll add this mashed potato, green peas, mix this properly. I can smell very lovely aroma from this. It's really so aromatic. We'll add kasuri methi to this. to this, we'll add water to get it to that consistency of gravy. It's up to you how you like your gravy. If you want thin, you can add more water. If you want little thick, you can add less water. We'll allow this to boil properly. We'll add, now it started to boil, so we'll add coriander powder, little amchur powder, garam masala powder. Mix it properly. We'll add coriander powder. Now this is done. We'll transfer this into a bowl. The urad dal mixture, it is soaked up nicely, you can see, but it is a bit dry. So we'll just sprinkle a little bit of water, not too much. Mix it. This is enough. We'll make small round balls out of it. This is also soaked up. We will pull out a small portion of this atta. We'll start making. Make a groove so that you can fit this mixture into this. We'll keep this mixture, cover it up. This is ready. So we will make all ready like this and then we'll see the next process. I have stuffed and kept them ready. Now we'll start rolling them. We'll start rolling this. We should not roll it too thin or too thick. It should be of medium thickness. This is enough. We will keep a kadai, heat the oil. Once the oil is heated, we will the oil shouldn't be too much piping hot. It should be medium hot, medium to higher hot, not too piping hot, because it has to fry from inside. We'll fry them on both the sides properly. This is done. We will remove that into the plate. Here is our super delicious and super hit combo bedai puri or bedmi puri with aloo sabzi is ready to be savored. They are just so mouth-watering and you will definitely love these. These are one of our favorite all-time breakfast or snack. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.